All right, so some creative ideas, something that you can play around with.
We can also do that with the large cross-country ski with rebound and the short fast ones. This is without the knee tuck.
So 2 big, 4 small, and then you got to talk about technique here. On your toes, heels down. On your toes, heels down.
Lifting up, getting down. There's quite a bit of technique that's involved in that. But I also love combining knee tuck cross-country skis with the straight leg ones. Check out this little combination.
1, 2, 3, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3. This is great. I love doing stuff like this. Just playing around with music and rhythm. Get your heart rate straight up.
Wow. So 3 knee tucks and 2 quick fast ones. It really changes and you're really working with inertia. And so the end result is a puffing that happens like this. But it's great fun when you start playing around with knee tucks and straight leg actions. It's fantastic.
1, 2, 3, 4, and big, big. Drop down, 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 and lift. Lift, straight legs. So you play around with, just playing around with those 2 moves. You can see it's endless.
And there's another little combination. It's endless. You can play around with low fast knee tuck cross-country ski with a big straight leg rebound one. You can play around with those too.
So there's heaps that you can come up with. Sometimes I'll do, instead of bending the knees, there's straight legs, and then I bent my knees. You know, this big straight leg rebound and then bend, bend. Big straight leg rebound, bend, bend. So just play around with it. Get in the pool first though. You've got to try all of these in the water yourself to know that it's going to be successful. Just because you know that cross-country ski works in the pool, not all the combinations will necessarily work with the tempo that you use. And people often ask me, what tempo do you use? I don't have a specific tempo. I pick a music track and I work to that particular tempo. So that becomes the track that I'm going to do my cross-country ski, for example, in. Doesn't matter what tempo it is, you get to choose what will work with that tempo.